Getting started with domain and hosting. Domains are unique names and identities that are given to you or your business, a brand, etc. So a domain name, for instance, is google.com. Every domain name has a TLD. A TLD is .com. A TLD can be .com, .ng, .com.ng, .com.au, .com.br. It goes on and on and on. So the most popular TLD is the .com. So obviously I would expect that you have plans for a .com domain. Yeah? Alright, so for us to get started with domain and hosting, I had gotten a deal for every single person that is a part of this course. Specifically spoke to a domain and hosting company that a group of people would be interested in purchasing domains at what deal would they be able to provide for us. And here is it. So for you to access that deal, I want you to go to adsenseforall.com and I want you to access the blog page, right? So click on the blog page and you'll be brought to this page. And I want you to just look for the first post here. At the time of recording this video, this is the first post, but if you come on this page and it's a different name, I'm going to look for why Namecheap hosting is the best starting point for every blogger and AdSense aspirant, right? So I want you to click on it and then you'll be brought to this page. And the next thing I want you to do is just to read a little bit about the history of Namecheap if you're interested in that. But I could assure you that this is what I use personally and for my client. They've proven themselves to be awesome. And the next thing I want you to do is just to read through. And when you get to this place, it's a hyperlink. So just click on Namecheap and then you'll be brought to this page, right? So on this page, this is where the whole magic happens. So the first thing I want you to do is just to put in your domain name. What domain name might you be interested in? So it could be your business.com. Here's a fun fact. Domain name should be short, catchy, and interesting, and the new visitor could easily grasp and remember. So you want to get a domain name that is very short and concise. So for today, I'm going to be going with the domain name Metrics Agriculture or agric.ng.com. Let's see if that's available. So you hit enter and then it searches. So it's going to search the database of domain names and then boom, it's available. So if your domain name is not available, you will get something like this. So let's say I search for google.com. Google.com definitely can be available for sale. And then it's saying it's not available, that it was registered in 1997. So if you get a domain name or if you type in a domain name that is not available, you will get that message. So I want to type my domain name back again. So metricsagric.com. And then definitely it's available. And here we can see it's available. So it says that for new customers like yourself, you'll be paying $8.98 per year. Okay, so next thing I want you to do is just to click on add to cart, and it's going to automatically add it to your cart. You can see it over here. Now the fee has increased, right? I'm going to tell you why in a moment. So the next thing I want you to do is to select web hosting here, because definitely you're going to be in need of web hosting. So click on this plus icon here to add to cart, and then click on view items. So it shows that we are having a subtotal of $31.07, and I want us to just check how much that will cost in Naira. So this is an estimate. It's about 13,036 Naira, right? It's not even up to 15,000 Naira, but probably with bank charges and all, it might get to 15,000 Naira. Because of CBN's restrictions, we might not be able to purchase items worth 31.04 cents because of the restriction of $20 by CBN. and there's a trick, and I'm going to show you how we find our way around it. So what I want you to do right now is just to click on checkout, and then you'll be brought to this page. And upon checkout, this is where you're going to put in your card details and all of that. So just click on confirm order for a moment. And now you'll be brought to this page where you'll be required to create a new account. So I want you to come here and then choose a name that you would like. So let's say Metrics. It could be anything. It could be your personal name, but you must be sure that it doesn't exist on their database. So Metrics are Greek. That'll be my username. It's going to tell me to select a username. So I'll just do suggest strong password here. And then what's my first name? So I would say my first name is Sam. My last name is Terry. And then my address. So let's say I could use my email, sam@freemails.com. @freemails.com. Would you like the marketing and communication? No, I'm not sure I would. So let me just click on create and continue. And then it says I should prove I'm a human. Okay, I think I didn't do that. So let me just suggest a strong password again. And then click I'm not a robot. And then let's try it one more time. And then yes, everything works. So we are back here. So you're going to have to impute your, probably if you have a company, impute your company name over here. Your job title. If you're registering on behalf of a company, you select this. If you are not, you deselect it. So for us, we're not registering on behalf of a company. So we're just going to impute our address. So let's say we stay at, we'll say Abuja. We'll say Abuja. Address 2 is optional. So what city? So we'll just say Abuja. And then state province. So the state province would be, my state province would be Amak. And then my postal code would be 90144. Then your country, obviously Nigeria or any other country that you are watching this video from. So select your phone number. So we're just going to scroll down and look for +234. So let's do that real quick. And then we're going to impute our phone number. So it's going to be your number. So 09024982003. So fax number optional, not important. So click continue once you are done with all that. And then you should be brought here, right? Now we have an account. Now we're going to perform the trick I told you about. So I want us to do something. Just hover your mouse on your username and then go to profile. So let's open it in a new tab. So you'll be brought to this page, and you remember our amount is still right here waiting for us. So next thing I want you to do is just to come down to billing. Right? All right. So where we have our balance, we have in 000, that's expected. So I want you to just click on top up where you have top up over here. So click on top up, and then you'll be brought to this page, right? So for we Nigerians, we're just gonna have to go with card payments because not everybody uses PayPal, and for just the convenience of this tutorial, let's just go with card. So go ahead and click next. They also accept Bitcoin too. If you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you can also go for it. So here is the trick that I spoke about earlier, right? So our purchase is about $31.04. Because of CBN's restrictions, we cannot make purchases of over $20. So I want you to add the amount, the exact amount, $20 here, and then click on next, right? And then we'll be brought to this page. Obviously, every MasterCard and Visa card would be able to take payment, right? It does not matter whether it's savings or current. And I want you to impute the name on your card, and then your card number, and then your CVC code. Mine is What did you think? I was going to give you my CVC code. Nah. All right, so input your address. So I'm just going to go for this address, and it's going to demand my state and province. Oh, I made a mistake. So let's clear form. Okay, so input your first name and your other details. And then this is going to be Nigeria. And then I'll just want to click on the next button. Okay, we'll be brought to this page. And if you've made it this far, congratulations. Congratulations. Big ups to you. Clap for yourself. Go get yourself a beer. Go get yourself a coffee, tea, something. You've done so much well. And then all you're going to do from here is just to click on charge and proceed. And then if the payment goes through, it goes through. If there's an issue, you'll be notified. And then you're going to do this again. You're going to repeat the same process again. But this time for the remaining amount. Remember, we've done $20, right? So if we've done $20, how much will be left? We should be having 10.04 USD left, right? So you're going to repeat the process, go down to billing. And then upon getting to billing, you're going to click on top up. And then you're going to select card payment just as we did the last time. So this time you're going to impute 10.04 US dollars and then click on next the same way. You're just going to repeat it until you hit the particular amount that you want. Now, your card might not work, right? So I want you to get your friend's card, or if you have a second bank account that has a card, go ahead and select or use that particular card this time because you've already elapsed the $20 that was gracefully given to us by CBN. So I want you to just come here and then add again, and then you'll be done. So once you're done with your payment, I want you to go back to your cart and then click on view cart again, and then we'll be brought back to this page. Now this time I want you to click on confirm order, right? And then rather than using card details, I want you to change this to account funds, right? So if I had added funds to my account, I should be having 31.04 US dollars here, and then I wouldn't be getting this error. Your account funds must tally with your subtotal cost over here. So once you have that, go ahead and click save this to continue, and then boom, you're good to go. So if your payment goes through, you should be brought to this page. You'll be brought to a page that looks just like this. Congratulations for making it this far. I will see you in the next section.